Hey guys, it's Mr Bicen, and I'm probably coming at you with a bit of a different kind of video today because I'm probably coming at you with a bit of a different kind of video today because I'm actually starting to feel a bit stressed. And I found myself this morning, I'm currently working on making loads of videos for Decision 2, of which I haven't looked at it before. There's loads of brand new stuff in there. And that exam is like just over a month away. And I've also got to be taking exams in Further Stats 2, which was new to me, and loads of content that is brand new, and I haven't even had a chance to go back and review it. And basically, I've just found myself this morning feeling pretty stressed because I'm trying to make loads of content for YouTube. I'm also trying to make sure that I do well in these exams. And I know that whatever I do in these exams, I'm going to share it publicly with a lot of people. And my pride is involved. And I really want to do the best that I possibly can do. And so as I was working this morning, I just found myself feeling really stressed. And I kind of realized this is part of why I've done this. This is part of why I've committed to taking all of these exams, because I think as teachers, we can forget what it's like to be in your position as somebody taking the A-levels. All that pressure that's on you about trying to get to the next stage of your life, going to university. I bet all your family are asking you how revision is going, or your friends are asking you. And it's just a really overwhelming kind of time. So I guess I just wanted to just be really honest about how I've been feeling with stuff, because yeah, it's getting to crunch time, right? It's getting to the point where the stress levels are rising. And I just wanted to say that I feel you. I feel that that's like a tough thing to be going through right now. And I hope that your teachers are also supporting you as much as you might need. And then I guess I wanted to say about other times that I felt stressed in the past, so that there's something that we can learn from this, because it's quite hard to remember this when you are feeling stressed. But every time I felt stressed before, I've always made it through, and I've always put the time in to do the best that I can do and not let it defeat me. And so that's the same thing. I know that's going to happen this time from my experiences with stress before. And if you think of something where you've been stressed before, you know that you will come through out the other side of that. And you'll probably come out the other side a better person. You'll feel stronger from the stuff that you've done. And at this moment now where I'm feeling like, oh my God, I've got so much that I need to do for this module. I need to do live streams. I've been planning these revision classes. There's just so many things on top of just normal life. Yeah, I know that I'm going to get through this kind of stress. But I guess I just wanted to say, you know, I feel what's going on for you guys right now. And you will get through this. And these exams, when you finish them, you're going to have the best summer holidays that you could possibly have. And I'm going to sort of treat myself to enjoying my summer too. And yeah, I better get back to work. But I just wanted to check in with everyone and sort of see how everyone was doing. And yeah, I'll be there in the exam hall this summer, 13 exams. I really better go and do some revision. Maybe I shouldn't be making a YouTube video right now. Maybe I should be planning what I'm about to do. The transportation problems of Decision 2, which is not my natural mathematical home. Anyway, this is getting on a bit now. Just wishing you the best of luck with your studies. I hope you're doing well. And yeah, we will get through this. See you later, guys.